On this slide, you're able to see the writing rubric that we use to grade their writing. You can see there's a green star, a yellow star, and a red star. That green star is going to be where they were expected to be writing in September. The yellow star is going to be everything, and there's two sides, so that's why there's 2 pages here. It's two-sided. Is everything that we are looking for in December when we grade their middle of year writing sample. And then the red star is going to be a level 5, which is the end of year expectation. So that's going to determine whether their writing is ready to move on to 2nd grade or not. You can zoom in, or you can, present that screen, and you can see the word choice, the sentence fluency, the conventions, their ideas, they're getting their ideas out, the organization of their writing, and then the voice that they use to make their writing unique and make it their own. You can just kind of see the bullets for what it is that we are looking for specifically in each of their writing samples.